SOLIDWORKS, you can use the search command to find your features. Just go to the search bar and type in the name of the feature, and you can start it from there. Or if you press Show Me, SOLIDWORKS guides you to the location of the feature. If this is a feature used often, you might want to make it easily accessible. When located in the search command, simply drag and drop the icon to your toolbar. The keyboard shortcut for the search command is W. In SOLIDWORKS 2022, the search command also appears in another place. If you use the S key menu, you will have noticed that it is also present here. You have all the options you have in the regular search bar, but also the option to use Insert command to insert it in your S menu.